Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be replacing the stabilizer link bars on the Honda Fit. If you go like me, going at a high rate of speed on the highway, and it feels like the front end is shaking, it's not real stable, and you don't think it's your shocks, look into these. These bushings wear out right here. One for the driver, one for the passenger side. You'll need a 17 millimeter wrench to loosen and tighten that nut there. And then you'll need a T30 Torx to go inside here to hold it still so you're not turning this ball joint inside here. I got this set off Amazon. It's a premium. Here's the part number. So, should be fairly easy. Jack up one side, remove the wheel, take the old one off, put the new one on, lower it, do the other side. Let's go and get to it. So we're going to compare the new one. You gotta force it to move. That's what you want. Nice stiff. So this one here is shot. Moves in every direction freely. So that's why all those bumps I feel on the road feel like the car's gonna fall apart. So put the new one on. So you see the stabilizer link that goes here up to this one right there. Now the new ones are got the Torx T30 in here. This one I believe is a 5 or a 4 hex. So I'm going to have to put that in there to break these nuts loose to remove this. So I got my 5 hex. Put that in place. Try my ratcheting wrench if I can get it up there. Let's key out. Turn it thoroughly. Show you my hex and torch on for you. See, I'm loosening it and it's spinning. And I'm going to prime sway bar to get it to drop it. Let's see. This way. That was shot. See, the boot's already tearing at that top. See Creston dusting down here. See how freely it moves though? You don't want that. There's nothing left. So I can move this freely up here too. So this was shot. So, no bueno. There's a new one. Can't even move it with some force. I gotta use both hands. Unlike the old one. No problem. So the A750258YT is driver's side. We're going to do the top one first so we can manipulate the bottom one. Having this ratcheting wrench helps a lot. And they're nice and good. Now we're going to do the bottom. I have to pry down on the sway bar here to get it to line up. So I took my mini jack handle here and put it against the frame and the sway bar. Push down to get it to where I need to get it to hold up. Okay, that's all that good. Alright. Snug. Got the bottom all done. Top's all done. Put the wheel back on. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Once both sides are complete, drive safe. This is how the passenger side should look. There. And there. Thanks for watching. Well, now that you have successfully changed out both stabilizer links, go ahead and tighten your wheels down and drive safe. I'll drop links on the parts I bought, some of the tools I used. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned how to do that. Save you some money. And thanks for watching.